Here we go. Box of Rookie Anthology for Nemchinov. Fresh case. We picked box number 5. Prism. Save fatties. Save the fatties. Let's go through and find them. 1. I believe 2. We'll do fatties after Prism. Alright. Contenders Legacies of Johnny Bauer to $9.99. Read all the stats on the base cards. We need this one to last. What the heck is... Oh, scratching. Nice. Scratching the surface. Tyson Berry. Very nice. Matt Clark, Elite Rookie. Wow. Number to $9.99. Milan Mikulek, Cup Contenders. All the King's Men jersey. Matt Green. Oh, I'm making this one last. The Xena Contenders. Corey Crawford. Yes. Elite Rookie Jakob Silfverberg. There he is, Mr. Mustache. Game Worn Gear, George Heros. What do we have here? Carey Price and Matthew Watkins, rookie. And very nice, Jakob Silfverberg, rookie autograph. That's a good one. That's a good one. Ooh. What the heck? I don't know if I've ever even seen this one. What is this? We're about to find out. I don't even know this dude. I've never seen even a card from this set of this dude. Whatever. Intensity. Steven Stamkos. I don't know what this next one is. I don't even know what set it's from. For the Rangers, Nick Fotu. I don't know how to say his last name. We haven't even pulled anything of him. Silhouette jersey. Fodio. Whew. Fodio. Would have never guessed that name. Fodio. Weird. For the LA Kings, nice, level 2. Jordan Nolan. Rookie Treasures, level 2 to 499, Jordan Nolan.